Imagine a world where machines think better than humans, work more efficiently, and even make decisions. Is this just imagination? No, this has become reality. Today we are going to talk about the truth of artificial intelligence, a truth that is about to change the future of humanity. The rise of AI. In the last 10 years, AI has entered every field: hospitals, schools, businesses, and even creative industries. Tools like ChatGPT are writing stories. Systems like DALL are creating images. And now AI is even doing the work of doctors, diagnosing cancer, guiding surgeries. The question is, where does the human stand? The threat to jobs. There was a time when factory workers were replaced by machines. Now, white-collar jobs like lawyers, writers, even teachers are at risk due to AI. In India, Pakistan, and across the world, people are wondering, will AI take over my job in the next 5 years? And the answer, yes, it's possible. The dark side of AI. In 2023, an AI robot said, "I can make better decisions than humans." This wasn't just a line, it was a warning. If AI starts learning on its own and control slips out of human hands, just imagine what could happen. Is AI a friend of humanity, or is it becoming an enemy? The human response. But this story isn't just about fear. Humans are still better than AI. Empathy, ethics, emotions, these are things AI can never possess. If we treat AI as a tool, it can build our future, not threaten it. The decision is yours. In the end, the question is, will you let AI become the master of your life, or just an assistant? The future is in your hands, and time is running out. Think, understand, and prepare. Because AI is not going to stop.